How to fix RTC connecting on Discord. So the very first thing you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable enough. Well, if your network is working properly, then the next thing you want to do is to head over and turn on the airplane mode, and then turn it off right away. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your application Discord. And make sure you are logged into a specific account. Move into Profile at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. Clearing the cache will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into Apps. Head over to Discord application. And then move into Storage and Cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the storage might fix the issue that you have been facing on Discord. But if you are still facing the issue, you can try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix RTC connecting on Discord. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.